Okay, this should not be possible because there is a secret ingredient hiding inside these cookies. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're making the most delicious cookies using a very special ingredient. And most people never realize it is there. Not even picky eaters. Today, Sprout investigates whether chickpeas can completely disappear inside a chocolate chip cookie. And honestly, this might be the sneakiest thing we have made so far. One cup of cooked chickpeas into the blender. Before we blend them, let me tell you what they are actually doing here. Chickpeas have almost no flavor of their own. That is not a weakness. That is the whole point. They are also carrying protein, iron, and fiber into a cookie your child is about to eat without any suspicion whatsoever. Iron for energy and focus, protein for growth, fiber for a steadier afternoon instead of a sugar crash 20 minutes later. All of that in a chocolate chip cookie. Two tablespoons of peanut butter. Three tablespoons of honey. Two tablespoons of flour. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. Quarter teaspoon baking soda. Pinch of salt. The chickpea just quietly holds everything together, doing the work, saying nothing. Now we blend everything until we completely smooth. If the chickpeas stay grainy, picky eaters will notice immediately.
We are looking for silky, smooth cookie dough, no bean energy whatsoever. And now, the distraction technique. Chocolate chips, fold them in last. Do not blend them. Look at this texture. Soft cookie dough, smells like a bakery. Looks completely innocent. Small cookies today. Small portions feel less risky to a child who is not sure. They will try something small when they would say no to something large. 1 tablespoon each. Flatten slightly on top. Into the oven, 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. Tweeve to 15 minutes. And while those bake, this kitchen smells like an actual bakery right now. These look dangerously convincing. Soft center, melted chocolate. Oh, wow. Wait, why are these genuinely good? Those cookies were made with chickpeas. Most people would never guess. And your kids definitely will not. Protein, iron, fiber. In a soft chocolate chip cookie they grabbed off the tray before it even cooled down. Know what's inside. Cook with purpose. Peanut allergy in the house? Swap the peanut butter for sunflower seed butter. Same result. Nobody notices. And one question. Did your kids notice? Tell me in the comments. That is the part I want to hear about. Next time, cauliflower. Hidden inside something your kids eat for breakfast without a single complaint. And if you have not seen the lentil bolognese episode, go watch that case next. I am Sprout, and I will see you